Welcome to Zill Skill, your one-stop destination to explore and discover lots of kids' activities and hobbies. Today, we are planning to make the cat craft. Let me show you. Ooh, isn't this beautiful cat? So we are planning to make this craft, okay? And you can go with any kind of color. Go with blue color, white color, orange color, whatever the color you like, right? So I will be making in the blue color only. So, and it's very easy, okay? So let's begin. Just let me pull my camera down so that you can see what all do we need to make this beautiful cat craft. All right? Here we go. Okay, so we need a big circle. Okay, so this is very big circle. This is approximately 19 centimeter. You can go with the size of quarter plate, medium side plate. That is approximately 19 centimeter. Steel plate, plastic, whatever, any will go. So this is a big circle, which is a 19 centimeter. Then we have a small circle. This is 8 centimeter. That is for the face of the cat. Then we need this two light rectangle blue. Okay. And this is approximately 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter. See, I am going with a light blue. Okay. So it's up to you. The color choice is all yours. Okay. So this is about 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter. From this, we are going to make the ears and the paws. So the ears, I've already made it. Let me show you. So how to make it? We just need to fold this like this and give a semicircle look. Okay. So once you're going to give it a semicircle look, it's going to turn out to be like this. See. Okay. So I've already cut it for the ears, but I will be cutting it right in front of you for the paws. Okay, because we have to give little small, because the paws are pretty small. Okay. And then the same is, we are using a very light color, that is a pink one now. So again, this light pink. So I've used very light pink. This light pink color is 8 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So you have to take one pink rectangle, cut it into length is 8 centimeter and width is 4 centimeter. The same as this. Okay. And the same we are planning to make, giving a semicircle look and just cut it. So you're going to have two of these. So this I've already made it. This is for the ears, both of them. Then we need a round circle. The same of this light pink. This is for the cat nose. This is just 3 centimeter. Okay. Then we need for his eyes. This is about 2 centimeter each. Okay. So first we will be placing the white one. Then we need the black one. That is 1 centimeter and less than black. Means less than 1 centimeter. We need 2 white. Okay. All you can do is you can cut it 1 centimeter and then you can just give it a round shape and cut it more. Okay. And then we need this red strip, which is approximately say about 21 centimeters. So this is 21 centimeter and 1 centimeter is the width. This is basically for the bow. Okay. And you will be surprised to know how we are going to make the tail, isn't it? Because I have not given any measurement for the tail. That's a surprise. And it's looking so cute if you can see it, isn't it? Come on, let's begin. Okay, but before that, what extra do we need is the blue crayon. Okay, and this is dark blue. So if this is light, you have to go with the dark blue. and then the sketch pen or the marker, again the pencil you need, the scissor, and yes, of course, the Fevicol we can't live without. All right, so we need pencil to first of all do the outline over here. So I will be showing you how to make a tail. Make a semicircle here, which is going to be going right up till here. Okay, so let me show you what I did. Like this. Okay, so I will be cutting this right in front of you to show you. Okay, so just start like a semicircle, give and little bit till here. Okay, so let me show you. Let's begin. And then going down and down, down and down, and then like here. Okay, so see, this is the tail. So you can press it and put it on the other end. So see, the tail is ready. Okay, so the next step to the tail, next step after the tail is we are going to make one standing line. Okay, so if you need a scale for this, you can use it just in the center. So if you need a scale, you can go with the scale. So let me do it with a scale to give a very rough, neat look. Okay, so right here from the center point, I'm just going to pull it down. So let me show you like this. So all I will be doing now, I will be cutting this, okay, from the center, because first we are going to make a, you can say the body of a cat, or you can say a kind of the cap, isn't it? All right, so see, this will go in, going to bend down like this towards the end of the tail, right here. Okay, so all I have to do is I have to apply the Fevicol here. So this is going to be the body of the cat. Let's do it. So now I'm going to put this on top, okay, and get it right here towards the end of the tail. Here we go. So this is almost done, right? So now we have to work on the face of the cat, but till then it will be also dried up. Okay, so see, it's like this, and now like this. This is ready. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside. Now let's work on the face. Okay, so let me put this aside only. Here we go. First of all, we are going to take the big one, white circle. Again, I'm repeating, this is 2 centimeter each. Okay, here we go. So one I'm going to put it here, and one I'm going to put it here. But before that, I just like to check putting this cute little circle in the center, which is a nose, so that it gets more easier for me to see the measurement. Okay, so it's looking fine now. So now we have to make the ears. We have to put it right here. So first of all, let us go with these. Again, I'm repeating, this was about rectangle, the light blue rectangle, 10 centimeter, and the width was 5 centimeter, the same. which we have cut, which we have cut it like a semi thing. And the same is the pink is 8 centimeter and 4 centimeter in the rectangle, which we have actually covered. And apply the Fevicol. And this is the center. Okay, tries are right here, so I'm going to put it in the center. So now what we have to do is we have to make the whiskers, and that we are going to do with a black sketch. So I'm going to pull it and show it to you how, like this. Okay, so we're going to give it like this. So this needs more of on top, so we're going to do it. But before that, let me just go with the whiskers and see if it's looking fine. And here we go. I guess it's fine, so we don't need it. See, isn't that looking cute? Yes, right. So now what is the next step is we are going to make a cute little design here. So first you can make it like a V here in the center. Okay, so one V, we are going to make it here, and the rest of the V, we are going to make it here. So it's ready. Can you see this? It's looking so beautiful, isn't it? So now we have to make the paws right here, because we are going to put this right here. Okay, so all we have to make the paws first. So again, we're going to take the rectangle. This is, again, I'm repeating, 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter. But we are going to make not very big, but little small ones. So we're going to make it like this. So let me just cut this. There we go. And I will be putting it here once I just fix the face first. Okay, so I'm just fixing a face right here. So this much of is needed till the nose. I will be showing to you. Just a minute, I'm just applying a Fevicol and then I can show you. There we go. This much of Fevicol I applied. And I'm going to press it now. There we go. So I need to twist it a little bit, turn it so that I can see. Right. See how much I applied it from the back. You can see it. Okay. Okay. There we go. And we have to place this here, but then again, we need a black sketch once again. And then just give 2 lines to it, like one here, second one there, then again one here and second one here. Okay, and now we can fix this. So now we have to make a bow. Okay, because it's going to look nice once we have our bow. I guess this is too big for yours, so we can cut it. We can just take a little less of this. Here we go. Okay, and now I will be folding this like this. Okay, and cutting it from the center. It's very easy to make a bow. Actually, this bow is very easy, and all you have to do is just fold it here like this. Okay, so I'm going to apply a Fevicol here, just a pinch of Fevicol. You can see like this, and I'm trying to join it. There we go, like this. Okay, press it hard. Okay, so same thing I'm going to do with the second one. So now I have to cross it like this. Okay, so I have to cross it like this. And let me see, I have to put it here. Okay, so I'm going to join this, put a Fevicol in the center. Okay, and just join it. So one drop again, and like this. I'm going to place it like here. Okay, can you see it? 1, 2, 3. There we go. It's ready. Okay, so just need to put the face straight a bit for you to see. So our cute little cat is ready to do meow. Look at this beautiful, beautiful cat, right? It's looking good. I'm sure you're going to love this beautiful cat. Once you will be making it, you will enjoy making it. Yes. All right, kids. Have a very, very great, you can say, week ahead. Enjoy and make this beautiful cat craft. I'm sure you're going to love it. All right. Bye-bye. Have a great, great day ahead and great, great week ahead too. Bye-bye.